How to fix Realme device storage full problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove some temporary files on Realme device and fix the storage problem. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you're on your Realme device, you can use a built-in cleaner, that is Phone Manager application, which is usually on your home screen or in the Tools folder. So simply search for Phone Manager, which is a built-in cleaner. Tap on it. After that, wait for a while and then here tap on Cleanup Storage. And then you have to wait until the application scans for any cache, temporary files, application residue or APKs. Once the scan is complete, now tap on Clean to delete everything safely. So that is a way to remove your temporary files on Realme device to clean up your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.